Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Sorry. Nandito na kami sa taxi. Alam niyo guys, paglabas namin galing ng airport, marami yung sumasalubong sa inyo kung gusto niyo sumakay sa kanilang sasakyan. Yung unang nag-offer ng 2,000 daw. Sabi ko, no way. Good morning, good morning, good morning guys. Good morning. Okay guys, ito. Breakfast time. In Tacloban pa rin tayo. Ang ating breakfast ay mango, tapos bacon and fried egg. At saka guys, hindi ito Sprite. This is buko juice. Sabaw ng buko to guys. Galing kasi kami sa Marabot kahapon, kaya kumuha ko ng buko juice. Bukas guys, pupunta kami ng Bantayan, Cebu. Mag-aeroplano kami. Pagdating namin sa airport, mag-hire kami ng tawag dito ng van papunta sa Hagnaya. Ang cost ng van, I think 3,500. Ihahatid kami sa Hagnaya. Tapos ganun din, vice versa din. Hindi ko alam na mayroon pwede ka galing dito sa Tacloban. Mayroon palang pwede kang pumunta ng Palumpon. Tapos sasakay ka ng ferry boat. Galing ng Palumpon, sasakay ka ng ferry boat papuntang Hagnaya. Hindi ko alam 'yun. Kung alam ko lang, tapos galing Tacloban papuntang Palumpon is like 2 hours. Tapos from Palumpon to Hagnaya, bali 1 hour and 30 minutes or 2 hours din. Bali all in all 4 hours lang yung travel mo. Hindi ko alam 'yun. Ngayon alam ko na, next time gagawin namin 'yun. Yeah. Yun lang guys muna. Kung alam, ang mahal kasi ng ticket papuntang Cebu. Pero ang lang naman, ang maganda lang naman kasi sa aeroplano, 20 minutes nandun ka na sa Cebu. Ang 20 minutes nasa Cebu ka na, kaya okay lang. Pero mayroong option na medyo mura. Mura yung pagpunta sa susunod, alam ko na. Hi guys! Welcome back. Okay guys, today is Thursday. Check time 5 o'clock in the afternoon in Tacloban. Guys, pupunta kami ng Cebu, pupunta kami ng Bantayan. Ang flight namin ay 6 o'clock ng gabi. Pupunta kami ng Bantayan. Ang sasakyan namin ay Philippine Airlines. Yung mga kasama namin, syempre ang aking kapatid pa rin ang nagdadrive. Siya lang naman ang may magandang sasakyan kasi yung iba hindi kagasa. Look!
International?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god, that's
Look!
so basically
And then a tube.
Yeah.
I thought we could just like
Yes. Hindi naman. Okay guys. Guys, take over muna si Johanna.
Hi guys. 2, 3. Hey guys, I'm Jolita and she's Emma and we're the Lolitas.
Not gonna lie, the only time I'm going to have quiet time is in the plane because I'm going to be reading and she's going to be shutting up because she's going to be watching a movie.
I'm gonna watch My Little Pony.
I'm gonna read A Little Liar.
Are we gonna argue on her vlog?
No?
No?
No.
No.
We're really nice.
Yeah, we love each other. Area?
Yeah, that's where babies get fed.
Oh.
Like, you know, when moms...
Yeah, I get it, yeah. Kids play area.
Let's play there.
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's a movie going on there.
Okay.
You. No, because last year when I was leaving the Philippines, we got like a milkshake from that place. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, and it was
Boss
fine.
Cafe.
Yeah, Boss Cafe. Boss Cafe. Yeah, cafe.
Boss Coffee, Boss Cafe.
Anyways, doesn't matter. So I got a milkshake from there, or like a drink, and it was actually very yummy. But I had to like go to the toilet the whole flight.
Oh, never mind. It's Boss's Coffee.
Boss Coffee.
Boss's Coffee. There's a comma.
But
Bosses.
No, cause So guys, what do you guys think about my hair? Can you hold it? I'm gonna show them my hair. So I've stopped straightening my hair and I'm trying to be like used to getting it natural look. Ready? Does it look good? Does it look good? Did it look good? Did it look good? I don't know who she's texting, but she's not paying attention to me. Anyway,
Wait, oh, never mind.
What?
I was about to say it looks like Kate Mon.
So someone texted me right now. But anyways, since y'all are more important, I'm gonna vlog to you. Right, Denise? Since they are more important, we're gonna vlog. Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just clip.
I'm joking, but I'm hungry. Guys, I don't know, sometimes when I'm hungry, I get mad. But sometimes when I get hungry, I get too excited and then I get...
Hey guys, welcome back. Ito guys, papunta tayo ngayon ng Cebu. Andito na tayo sa loob ng eroplano. Ayan guys. Guys, naandito na kami sa sasakyan. Sorry. Nandito na kami sa taxi. Alam niyo guys, paglabas namin galing ng airport, marami yung sumasalubong sa inyo kung gusto niyo sumakay sa kanilang sasakyan. Yung unang nag-offer ng 2,000 daw. Sabi ko, no way. Tapos sinabi niya, okay ma'am, 1,500 na lang. Sabi ko, ayoko din. Sabi ko, hindi. Sabi niya, hindi ma'am, hindi kayo makakahanap ng taxi doon sa labas. Kaya pag lumabas lang kayo, marami doon mga taxi. Hindi safe kayo kasi kinukuha naman kuya yung inyong mga ID Kaya hindi safe kayo. Kaya walang problema. Oo. Yan, sila. Kaya mabait naman sila mga taxi driver. Hey guys, we're in Cebu. Hindi na ngayon traffic kuya,
Hindi na masyado. Kahapon sobrang traffic.
Sobrang traffic. Oh.
Dahil sa baha.
Baha. Kahapon dito guys, baha. Ulan ng ulan kuya,
Opo.
Ngayon naman, oo. Walang ulan. Medyo dry naman.
Naambon lang.
Umuambon lang. Paulan pa lang. Paulan pa lang. Ay naku guys, ayan. Sabi ko kayo, wala bang traffic? Sabi niya, hindi masyado. Ibig sabihin, mamaya meron doon. Medyo. Okay guys, mamaya na lang pagdating natin sa hotel.
Yo, Cebu!
Hi guys, andito na tayo. Medyo traffic lang ng konti pero hindi naman. Andito na tayo sa Bayfront Hotel. Ito yung hotel. Meron silang restaurant dito. Mabuti naman, baka dyan na lang tayo kakain. Ito yung dito. Okay guys, mamaya ulit. Ito yung dalawa. Malapit lang, andito lang ata yung SM. Diyan lang ata. Hindi ko sigurado. Okay guys, tingnan natin yung kanilang hotel dito. Ayan. Ay, elevator pala yung guys.
Good. Okay.
Where is the room? Niye? Hi guys! Magro-room tour. Yan guys, andito tayo sa Bayfront Hotel Cebu. Dito tayo guys. So, malapit lang siya sa SM, malapit lang siya sa pagaling ka ng airport, pwede kang sumakay ng bus, diretso dito. Nasa harapan lang talaga ng hotel guys. Kaya yung pamangking ko, kasama namin siya, late lang yung kanyang flight. Kaya nagsakay siya ng tawag dito ng bus galing ng airport. Diyan lang sa harap ng hotel talaga bumaba. Okay guys, ganito. Ito yan. Ayan. May pa-mirror tayo dito. Ayan. Tapos, sorry guys. Sorry. May safety box. Safety box guys na hindi nagwo-work. Hindi na lang kami tatawag ng hindi na kailangan. Ayan yung hotel guys. Bayfront Cebu. Meron din silang meron naman silang coffee, pwede kang mag-coffee, meron sila. Kasi ito yung room. Malaki siya, malaki naman yung bed. Pero parang hindi plinansya yung mga guys, so. Parang hindi, malinis naman siya. Bago siyang laba. Pero parang hindi lang talaga siya plinansya, parang hindi naka-plansya yung kanilang mga unan, okay, yung kumot. Malinis naman siya, parang hindi ata sila nagpa-plansya doon. Okay guys, ito naman yung view natin. Ayan yung SM. Yan ang SM. Diyan lang sa tapat. Malapit lang pag Kaso, ito yan yung view. Kaso bukas guys, eto sandali po. Yan. Meron sila dito guys, yung mga bag namin. Yan diyan. Ayan, ito yung kabuuan ng room. Malaki yung bed, parang king size bed. Laki naman siya. Malinis naman siya, hindi lang ewan ko lang kung parang maraming hindi masyadong malinis. Ewan ko lang, parang hindi siya malinis masyado. Pero okay lang. Okay guys, dito naman tayo sa toilet tayo. Guys, medyo madilim yung toilet nila. Parang hindi madilim. Ayan, meron din silang yung kanilang shampoo. Yung ganyan. May hot water naman, may hot and cold. Ayan, meron naman silang mga Dali guys, patayin natin to. Meron naman silang mga toothbrush na mayroong kasamang tawag dito, toothpaste, ayan. Tapos may baso. Yung baso guys, madumi. Guys, ang dumi ng baso. Ayan Oh my God, guys. Hindi masyadong malinis. Ayan Ay, nako. Sayang naman. Madumi, parang malagkit. Ayan. Akong pumili dito, guys, ng tumira. Ayan. So, ito naman. Medyo malaki naman yung, yung CR. Malaki naman yung CR. Kasi parang Siguro, mali, hindi ko alam, parang ano, hindi masyadong malinis guys. O may mga mold. Ayan. Yun lang. Wala namang special dito sa tawag dito sa ano namin, sa room. Okay guys. Dito na muna. Kasi patay ding
Ting.
ay ding crispy pata.
There's no crispy.
No.
crispy pata. No. I knew it. The face was like. That's crazy. It was like
adobo, pork adobo.
her freaking kid.
Whose doctor is died?
She looked like
Mas kanino?
pork.
Pork adobo.
She looked like her little
Mas kanino pork adobo of some Western chops.
I knew there was them. I didn't have to understand the words. It was just the facial expressions. Crispy pata. He was like. It's worse than a breakup, guys. When there's no crispy pata, it's worse. Being enough pork adobo.
Ing chicken. Ing bagong chicken. Pork sisig, no?
And pancit though.
Pancit. Oh, yeah, that's good. I like pancit and pork adobo.
Okay.
Ano ba? Okay, pwede ba ako mag-sitting down? Okay. Fish and chips. Isa. Tsaka, ano yun? Yung kasama ng fries? Or...
Meris.
Ano?
Pancit with rice. Yeah. Are you joking?
You don't eat pancit? What? You at home? Jesus. Mama, you have. Okay. Ano daw? Yung potato chips.
Exactly.
Okay. Isang fish and chips. Pero pwede mag-order ang fries. Isang fries. Tapos, pancit. Yan. One pancit. Isa lang yung pancit niyo. Isang pancit na to. At saka isang pork adobo. And what do you want? Ha? Ano din?
Speak up.
Speak up.
Grilled pork belly. Grilled pork belly.
Okay.
God, can you speak up?
My throat hurts. I will order here.
Guys, at dito na kami sa restaurant. Ang pangalan ng restaurant ay Kaha Kitchen. Ako guys, wala ditong hindi sila marunong mag-serve. Tawag ito. Wala, self-service. Ikaw lang kukuha ng mga gamit-gamit dyan. Guys, tapos na kami si Vicky, yung sa akong pamangkin. Hindi pa siya dumarating, kaya binalot na namin yung kanyang pagkain. Sasarado na kasi sila 9 o'clock. Kaya, ayan, wala pa. Kasi hindi naman masarap yung pagkain nila. Ayan o, puro taba. Puro taba. Nagkakagutom kasi hindi kasi kami nag-lunch. Nag-breakfast lang kami, kaya medyo nakakagutom. Kaya, not really satisfied. Okay guys, dumating na yung aking pamangkin. Ito na, ayan. Hi, may pamangkin. Hi. Be.